Okay, final game for the day po tayo yun. Final game for the week po. Between the Black Boys, yan po ang Oryx versus the Blue Boys po. Yan po ang the Sky Team. Okay. Final game po tayo po for this week po. Ito po ang liga po natin. This is your aviation friendly doubles of Flying League. Yan, the main sponsors po natin. Maraming nagpapasabot sa main sponsors po namin. Team LBC, Harlem Padala at Thready Needles. Of course, SBB Pilipinas at PSBQ. Ito po ang huling laro po sa ligong ito. Ito ang Sky Team versus the Oryx. Yan. Sky Team Oryx on the way. Okay. Wala po si Melvin dahil nakabakasyon pa daw pero pabalik na raw siya, sinasabi nila. Kabila naman, of course, medyo marami-rami sila na kumpara po nung nakarang laro po nila. Wala naman si Shena. Pero nandiyan si Enteng, yung kanang leader po. Okay, first quarter lineup now ng Sky Team. Nandiyan po si number 3, number 28, number 6. At yung kaya Noliloksin po, yung datank nila, nandiyan din pala. Si number 1, si Diot, at si... Ano number niya, sir? 6. Number 6. Complete po. Okay. Trapal. Kabila na po, of course, nandiyan si Masbang, Carriazo, si Gakad, Labrado, and of course, si Pilao. Yan. Dating ano po yan, dating contact center si Pilao. Nalipat lang. Okay, balik po. Okay, first quarter now. It's about to start right now. Okay, then we'll start right now. Masbang bilang sentro po ng Team Oryx. Okay, first quarter start right now. Tap now, nakuha ng black shirts. Black shirts. Pilao, no good. Rebound battle won by Diot. Nako na Labrado bola. Labrado. Attacking. Labrado. Nice D ng blue shirt. Carriazo. Pilao. Gakat. Archie. Doon sa ilalim. Pasok ang bola. First basket drawn by Oryx. Okay, si number 3. Abalsana for 3. No. Rebound, Carriazo. Binababa ang bola. And out of bounds. Balik-pili po sa blue shirts ang bola. Blue shirts. Trapal, number 6. To Diot, number 1. Foul! Gakad. Walang preno. Ay, sorry. Focusing energy. Okay, thank you. And Diot. Top. Number 10. Elalim. Trapal. Oy! Traveling cold. Balik muli po tayo sa bola po ng Digakad. Ayan, Masbang. 2 points, Masbang 2 points, walang foul. Big man Masbang. Matay kaagad, 2 points. Diot, binababa ang bola. Diot, number 1. Driving strong. Abarsana, number 3. Abregana. Nope. Rebound battle by 28. Wala pa rin. Rebound na by Masbang. Cover foul. Who's pa rep? Number 1. Masbang assuring now its dominance kagad sa larong ito. Ito. Kono ha. What happened? Blue ball. Masbang, maaga pang inali kanyang dominance kagad. Masbang, dominance already been felt. And Abrigana, number 3. Pops up. And Blue Sharks firing. Nope. Masbang, nakarebound na naman. Binaba mga bola. Tupilaw. Wala. Balik po tayo. Abrigana, Diot, andon si Gakad, nandun si Abrigana, number 28, wala pa rin. Rebound na by number 28, 2 points. 4-2. Pilaw, naipit ang konti, Pilaw, nakuha. Blue Shirts on the attack. Rebound by Gakad. Orex, Pilaw. Balang pinasahan pero walang pasok. Four to 6:58 remaining sa ating first quarter action. And Masbang for 3. Nope. Foul on number 3. Labrado shooting for 2. Number 14. Labrado. Pops up. Kapos. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second throw. Jumpers ready para kami sa Labrado. Second shot, pops up, pasok. That's 5-2 rather. 5-2, lamang po ng 3 point ang Team Oryx. The Black Sharks in the lead. Donong Rivera is watching. Sancho Matias is watching also. Maraming salamat po, mga boss. Diot, yung kanyang ang tangke. Nakuha ni Labrado. Abrigana. Diot, pops up, nope. Nandun si Masbang. Backing violation. Tingnan po sa ingat. Scott, dala mo? Card? Siya ko na yan. And Diot, 28, by the way shot, 2 points. 6:04 remaining. Handaan nyo na yung second lineup nyo. Maraming salamat po. And Masbang, barrel through, no, tap from behind. Abrigana, trapal, 2 points. Gakad, binato agad kay Masbang. Nope, it's Diot, tandon. Diot, ang kanilang tangke. Pops up, number 3, nope, tapos. Binato naman, Labrado to Masbang, easy 2. Masbang, 2 points. Albert Dino Marasigan, good luck po sa iyo, Oryx team. Maraming salamat po. Diot, no. Marasigan, 2 points. Shout out sa'yo, Albert, from Scott. Oh, sige, sabihin mo. Okay, salamat. Okay, second lineup po ngayon coming up. Ang tamat muna for sure. Second lineup it will be called already also. Second team. Second team nga po si Iko and company. Yan si Iko. Iko with number 20. Nandiyan si Enteng din also. Si number 4. Kabila naman po of course the Black Shirts also. Branded set of legs also. Binababa na rin po kagad. Yan ang idol ko si Scott. And 2 points, no. Rebound pa Iko. Na Mike, walang pinasahan. Naipit ang kamay. Pulintan nag-pops up, number 1. Nope, tapos. Foul! Who's foul ref? Foul on Yambao, number 20. Yambao called for a foul, but... Okay, talika.
Bert, note ka muna ngayon ha. Sa 19 na lang ha.
Okay,
Sa 19 ka na lang maglaro.
Oh, sige, oh. Ano yan, ma? May secret message? Secret message? Oh, na si Reggie.
Ano sinabi? Walang reply.
Malapad. Malakas. And number 20, Yambao. Yambao, driving strong. No good. Pops up for 2. Nope. Iko naka-rebound. And si Enteng. Enteng Iko combination pala. Ang pinakapitahan. Enteng pops up. 2 points. Enteng. Enteng 2 points. Foul number 20 on Yambao.
Yambao is the second personal foul.
Hello. Oh, hello po. Hi, oh, hi. Hello. Hi, hi. Okay, thank you po. And number 1, Pulintan. Binababa ang bola, pops up. And number 1, 2 points.
Here's number 1.
Dalawang number 1 pala. And Enteng, binaba ang bola, pakin malapad. Nando, nakuha kagad ng black shirts. Balik kagad tayo. Pulintan, taking space, 2 points. 11-10 rather, 11-10. Malapad, binababa muli pang bola. Sescat, scouting. Nag-scout ka daw. Binababa ang bola po, malapad, 25. Malapad, malapad, malapad. Iko, barrels through. Foul. Rinig na rinig yun.
Foul minute. Jersey number 1, dalawa yung 1. Yung matangkad.
Nag-scout ka daw, sabi. Oh. Iko, number 16, shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Iko, second throw, jumpers ready. Ah, sila, umuwi na? Scott, umuwi na sila? Ha? Scott, umuwi na? And number 1, driving strong. Driving strong. So, nakuha ni Iko ang bola. Iko. Iko, binababa ang bola ni Iko. Iko. Mike to Iko. Alpa, pero may foul.
That's your second personal foul.
Iko. Iko, first shot. Nope. Iko, second throw. Jumpers ready. 2 minutes 30 remaining. First quarter action. Drawing to a close. No good. Rebound by the black shirts again. Ayan. Pulintan against Enteng. 2 points. Malapad. Iko naman. Iko, power move. Ooh! Ano ba yan? Malapad. Malapad, 25.
10 shot clock. Pass to Bogotano.
Enteng.
To shoot.
Malalim. Foul sa ilalim.
Foul.
Down.
That's your third personal foul.
Third personal foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Inbounding sa backcourt ang blue shirts. Malapad. Enteng. Iko, posisyon. Pops up si Mike. Kapos. And rebound by the black shirts again. Oy! Good ball. Foul. Iko. Iko called for the foul for sure. Mark Corpus is watching. Maraming salamat po, sir. And balik tayo. That's number 1. Number 1. 23.
10 shot clock.
23. Driving strong against Iko. Up. Down. Push power.
16.
Number 16 called for the foul. Penetration po ang blue shirts. Kenneth Roger Llanesa, Sky Team lang ang malakas. Si Boss Jonah Diot ang sakalam. Maraming salamat po. Pops up. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Number 23.
1 minute, 2 seconds.
Pops up. It's out. Okay. Blue ball. Sabi ng referee.
Foul 1 minute, jersey number 1.
Jersey number ang called for the foul. Penalty situation pala po ang team
First personal penalty also.
Team Oryx. Team Oryx now called for penalty also. Iko shooting for 2. Iko first shot. It's out. Iko second throw. Iko second throw. Jumpers ready. Pasok. 1 minute remaining. Pulintan. Number 1. 2 points. Number 1. Yambao. 20.
40 seconds.
Yambao. Lost the ball. Oy! Ginamit ang binte. Bawal yun. Bawal yun.
35 seconds.
35 seconds remaining. Pulintan. Lost the ball. Yambao.
Here comes Sky Team.
Yambao. No foul. Malapad. Malapad. Driving strong. Malapad.
Next one.
No. Enteng. Enteng. 2 points Enteng. Wala na. 15-30 na score po natin yun. Laman pa rin po ng black shirts po ng dalawa. Paano po yun? Sabi ni Marasigan, dupet ng sapatos si Sabido. Dupet ng sapatos ni Sabido. Dupit ng sapatos ni Sabido raw. Sabi ni Marasigan. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game muli po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game, si number 3, Abregana, inbounding along with Diot and company sa blue shirt, sa Sky Team. Sa kabila of course, si Masbang. And along with and other black shirts po, Abregana for 3. Nope, rebound battle, 1-1 by number 28. 15-13 score. Again, Diot. Diot pops up for 3. Bang! Diot 3 points. Damang. Number 12. Foul! The score is 15-13. Laman po ang black shirts pa rin. And number 28 shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Okay, sorry. 15-16 na. Kinount na po yung tatlong tres kanina. Yung tres kanina, Lidiot. Kinount na. 15-16. Laman na po ngayon po ang blue shirts. Second shot. Number 28. Jumper ready po tayo. Pops up. It's out. Rebound by the blue shirts. Abrigana. Binababa ang bola. Abrigana. Nagmamadali. Abrigana. Diop. Palpal. Abrigana setting up a base. Laki nila for 3. 3 points nga. Laki nila 3 points. Still completed. Foul called. Still completed by number 3. Foul called on jersey number 12. Laki nilaw. Laki nilaw. Diot. And Rapal, sir. Yan siya sa nahuli kanina. And one play para kay number 28. Number 28, pasok ang bola. Royol shooting for the bonus free throw. Don't look now. It's a 6-point advantage now by Team Sky Team. Nope. Again. Laki nilagyan for 3. No good. Royol. 2 points for Royol. Pinababa po na ng black shoes ang bola. Foul.
Foul minute, jersey number 6.
Rep, bola. Timeout called by the Oryx. Timeout, black team. The score is 15-23. Lamang na po ng 8 ang the Sky Team. Ay, sorry. This is your final game for the day. And of course, this is brought to you by the following sponsors. Team LBC and Thread the Needles. Saan po natin pong SPB Do and PSBQ Basketball League. You're watching right now the final game for the day between Oryx and the Sky Team. Okay, si Dwight po for the inbound. Inbound din po si Dwight. Castro, trying shot. Castro. Dwight. Lost the ball. Same ball.
Yes, 11 seconds.
Same ball.
11 seconds to shoot.
Must bound for 3, nope. Rebound, battle was again on the run. Abregana, 2 points. Out of bounds. This is the biggest lead for so far now for the blue shirts. It's 15-25. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound, Castro. Dwight. Pops up. Nope. Labrigana for 3. Bang! Labrigana 3 points. Rebound. Diot steal again. Lakyam. Royol. Wala. Rebound. Diot. 2 points Diot.
Right now.
number 1. Called for a foul. Shooting for 2 po ang number 3. That's Dwight ng Oryx. The score is 15-30. A 15-point lead advantage already now by the blue shirts. Sky team. It's in. Second throw. Second throw. Jumpers ready para kay Dwight.
First basket for the second quarter for Oryx team.
Pops up. Pasok. Back-to-back field goals is okay now. Pops up. Bang! Using the glass. Asbang. Binatong bola ngayon kay ano? Castro. Dwight. Ito po balik. Rebound. Abrigana, binababa ang bola. Melvin. Kamusta po kasi Melvin? Kamusta pa kasi natin?
14 shot up.
Abrigana for 3. Nope. Almost had it.
Ball minute. Jersey number 0.
Abrigana shooting for 3. Abrigana shooting for 3. First shot. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Ay. Second throw. For Abrigana. Wala pa rin. Last shot. Last shot. No. Rebound by number 15. Abrigana for 3 again. No. Same ball.
Same ball.
Pesquiti.
Control na kanina. 10 seconds.
Boss Jonah Diot lang ang sakalam, sabi ni Yanesa. Kenneth Roger.
5 to shoot.
No good. Rebound. And one play. Sana. Mali yung rotation. Tansap.
Jersey number 12. That's your
Royal
third
shooting for
personal
2. 15-16 score po natin ngayon. A 16 point advantage already posted now by the Blue
foul.
Shirts.
Foul penalty.
Sky Team, 16 points po ang kalamangan nila. Ang score po na is 17-33.
Albert, ikaw kailangan dito, Albert.
Sierra Melvin, Asher. 17-34, lamang po ang kalaban nyo.
Albert, ikaw kailangan dito, Albert.
Si Melvin, paparamdam na rin. Si Melvin. Si Melvin.
Change unit.
Score, Sir Melvin. 17-34, kalahati.
Oh, doble.
Kailangan dito yung marasigan.
Hindi, ano lang. Rotation lang yan. Tansya ko. Okay, second lineup now. Si Iko, along with Enteng Company. Sa kabila naman, nandyan si Carriazo at si Pilao and Company. Gakad. Number 1. Pulintan to Gakad. Carriazo for 3. Nope. Rebound by Enteng. Enteng ang rebound na si Enteng. 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 Binababa ang bola. Enteng. Enteng. Nice pass sana. Hindi yan tayo pinapasahan. 4 minutes 44 remaining. Nakuha naman. Bumawi kagad. Malapad. Iko. Power move. Wala. Black ball. Black shirts.
Pulitan.
Punta. No good. Sayang.
Foul minute. Jersey number 16. Iko. That's your third personal foul.
Iko, third person na po yan. Pulintan, number 1 shooting for 2. 17-34 po ang kalamangan nila. First shot. Kapos. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Battle won by Iko. Look. It's Cariaso. 2 points, Cariaso. Cariaso, 2 points. Di pa.
Clocking the ring to 15. Wala pa. Yapaw, baseline jumper.
Nope. And rebound now by Pilau. Pilau, binababa ang bola. Pilau.
Pass to Cariaso.
Cariaso. And one play, binigay.
Foul on point.
Cariaso, bonus free throw. It's in. Okay, 12 po kalamangan ng Team Sky Team. 22-34. Binababa ang bola. Malapad. Lost the ball. Enteng. Binababa ang bola.
Jumper.
Nope. Nakuha ni Gakad. Ayan, Pilau, mag-isa. Pilau! 2 points, Pilau. Basket, Pilau. And timeout na go by the blue shirt. Tembuel. Pwede na maglaro dumuli? Pwede na maglaro? Lulu. Pwede na? Ha? Ano? Pwede na? Ha? Cariaso daw, sabi Marasigan, Lodi. Malakas, idol. Marasigan, Cariaso. Oh, Cariaso daw.
Bert, ikaw ang kailangan nila sa Oryx. Wala kasi.
Oh. Sera Melvin, lamang po ng 10 kalaban nyo, 24-34. Nakatutok si Melvin. Okay, balik po tayo. Blue shirts po mag-inbound. Blue shirts. Marasigan, ha. Okay, sige, tumatawa. Nawala ang bola. Again, Enteng, Balaka, Enteng, nawala talagang bola naman. Enteng, help ball situation.
Next jump ball. Ball will award for Oryx.
Oryx ball, sabi, Oryx ball. Nice hustle by Iko. Binababa ang bola yung Pulintan. Pilau for 3. Tapos,
Short.
Bukot sa lalim, malakas. Foul, pushing foul. Pilau call for the foul for the push. Balik pa rin po tayo, 22-29 remaining, 24-34. Albert Dio Marasigan says, ha. Tinatawanan lang kayo. Palpal. Wala. Nice hustle by Gakad. Sumunod, tumatawa. Marasigan, tumatawa.
That's your third personal foul. Tatlo,
Gambao. Intercepted by Enteng. Mike, walang pinasahan si Enteng. Number 1, Pulintan.
Paso Cariaso.
Cariaso for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by the Black Shirts. Malakas pa rin. Pilau. Top out sana niya. Pero last nga talaga Pilau. Pilau last touch. Blue Shirts muli po tayo. A minute and 21 remaining for the second quarter action.
1 minute 15 seconds remaining.
This is your AFL Friendly League. Aviation Friendly Gabas sa Flying League. Live po tayo always sa the Newton International School in Barra Village. Abomor area in Doha. Gakad, binababa ang bola. Gakad. Pilaw. For 3. No. Rebound. Ginarangan na. Back to Sky Team again. The blue shirts. 43 seconds remaining. 43 seconds remaining. Enteng, binababa ang bola. Iko. Malakas. Iko muli. 2 points Iko. Gusto nang ginagawa ni Carriazo. Nice one kay Pilaw. And one play pabigay. Nice play created by Carriazo. And of course,
Bert, wala silang defensive player dito, kaya kailangan nila yung marasigan na defensive player. Ayun yung idol mo, oo. Ikaw yung pinuntahan niya rito.
Sampaw, wala.
15 seconds.
And Enteng. Nalusutan si Pilaw. Enteng, malapad for 3. Tapos, wala na. Okay, after 2 quarters naman po ng 10 ang team, the Sky Team, the blue shirt. Saway. Okay, halftime po tayo ngayon, 20-36. Let's wait now sa ating third quarter action. Will start. In control pa rin po ang team Albert Dino Marasigan. Shoutout kay Boss Reggie. Grabe talaga yung Carriazo, sabi ni Albert Dino Marasigan. Shoutout kay Reggie raw, yung Albert Dino Marasigan. And the blue shirts again. Number 1, Diot for the inbound. Okay naman dyan, sir. Thank you po. Diot, number 1. To Abregana, number 3. Number 3, Abregana. Pops up for 3. Nope. Carriazo. Number 1. Kulintan. Dwight! Napakalakas ang pasa. Balik muli po sa blue shirts ang bola at 9:42 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Tapal. Abregana, binababa ang bola. Tapal. Malakas. Diot, nakalusot. Ayun. Tapal. Nice block by Gakad. Mali pinasahan ni Gakad. Baka nasali ang pass break na yun, pero di umano. Delikado pa to. May salamin yun. Lakaninaw, number 15. Diot. Pops up. Ayun sa play. Nilabas muna. May malaki, may matatangkad. Lakaninaw, no good. Rebound again. White again. Mag-isa. Okay, good ball. Gakad. Defended by Abregana. Abregana binaba ang bola. And palpal. Okay, sabi ni Kenneth Roger Villanesa, Boss Jonah Diot lang ang sakalam.
16 seconds to shoot. Shot clock, 16.
City set to shoot again. And the sky play, no. Lakanlaw, no good. One more time. Palpal, libas bang. Masbang, his press na midfield again. White, tapos.
Abrigana.
Abrigana for 3.
Pull up.
No. Rebound. Gakad. Pulitan. No good. Same ball.
Same ball. Shot clock will remain 16. 16 seconds to shoot. RJ.
Masbang. 2 points. Masbang. Masbang 2 points. 28-36. Lamang po ng 8 na lang po ang team. Sky Team. Diot nakalusot.
Dion.
Naipit. Traveling violation. Inipit ang naipit sa pader.
Substitution.
Okay, substitution muna po tayo. Pilaw papasok para kanino? Okay, para kay Pulintan. Pilaw for Pulintan. Karyaso. To Gakad. Gakad, binababa ang bola. Gakad. Masbang. Power move. Foul call. Masbang. Assuring his presence sa lorong ito.
Ball minute.
Masbang shooting for 2.
Rion. That's your first personal foul.
Masbang first shot. It's out. Masbang second throw. Second throw ni Masbang. Jumpers ready. No good. Entay, naka-rebound. Abrigana. 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 No good. Rebound. Rebound by the black shirts again. Gakad. Siya nagbababa ng bola. Siya to Karyaso. Karyaso, driving show. Karyaso, foul.
There's a ball. Committed by jersey number 3.
Number 3, Abrigana called for a foul.
Abrigana.
Take 2 para kay Karyaso. 20-30 ang score po natin. Chance to trim down the lead further down to 6. Pops up. Tapos. Second throw, jumpers ready.
For Orange team.
Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo for the team. Okay. Pop shop. Yes, sir. 29-36. Lang po ng pito po ang the Sky Team. Laki nila, binababa ang bola. Pops number 3. Bang! Again, 10 point lead Kalamangan. Karyaso. Pilaw. Nawala ang bola. Nice steal. Abrigana. Laki na for 3 again. Back-to-back field goals. Back-to-back 3-point field goals nila Kalinaw. Again, balik muli po sa double digits ang Kalamangan ng team Sky Team. Masbang. Masbang. 2 points Masbang. 31-42, 11-point advantage again. Abrigana. Abrigana. Difficult shot. Masbang. Foul.
Foul committed jersey number 18.
Number 18, Pilaw called for the foul. 5 minutes, 8 remaining.
Shot clock for 10.
Laki nilo again.
Yakanila.
For 3. Nope. Gakad, naka-rebound. Gakad. Karyaso. Against Laki Nilaw.
Pass jersey number 1.
Number 1. Mali. Muntik na.
Save.
Masbang. Power move. Again. 2 points Masbang.
Back to 9-point lead.
Masbang. Bagay po sa 9. Si Siyamang Kalamangan. Foul call. Iko. Shooting for 2.
Foul committed. Jersey number 08.
Iko shooting for 2.
Substitution.
4 minutes 34 remaining. Okay. Gakad, dilabas muna. Pops up si Iko. Wala. Standby lang. Labrado will not go inside also. Second shot, Iko. No good. Rebound by Masbar. Dominance made. And Nando. Foul. Pilaw called for the foul.
That's your third personal foul. Substitution.
Okay, sampu na po tayo. Enteng. Inbounding. Enteng to Abrigana. Abrigana. Iko nakapick. Abrigana, foul ko again po. Reaching foul on Pilaw.
That's your fourth personal foul, Pilaw.
Fourth person of Pilaw, warning for graduate. Shut out.
Shot out 14. Enteng.
Enteng. Uli. Nakakuha niyo yung bola ito. Riol, 2 points. And a timeout call by Team Forex. Shoutout daw kay Boss Reggie, malakas daw siya. Idol niya si Reggie. Back to the ball game. Melvin, shoutout kay Boss Melvin, nanood po siya ngayon. Labrado. Labrado again. Caryaso, almost off the ball. Masbang for 3. No. Abrigana, 2 points. And Labrado. Labrado. Wala bola. And 2 points. Easy 2. Ralph Castor is watching. Pangiliba, 2 points. Wala ito ang 6 point guard.
3 minutes, 15 seconds.
Abrigana. Abrigana, pinapang bola. Abrigana, pass. Laki Law. Laki Law, pinapasarihan ko. And black ball. Nice D by Labrado. Naku, sayang. Sayang depensa. Abrigana sa Labrado. Foul.
Fast ball.
Foul Labrado.
Labrado. That's your first personal foul.
Labrado, first personal foul. Labrado. Nice hustle play by Abrigana.
Tatlong ipinaw, mga Panginoon.
Along with Enteng also. Enteng to Abrigana. 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 3-second violation. 3-second violation called on the Sky team.
Smart to play. Smart to play.
35-48, a 30-point advantage still by the Sky team.
Jersey number 17, Jumper.
Nice one by Jampay, number 17. Ng Orex, 11 point dito naman.
Shot clock.
Briganda against Labrado. Nawalang bola. Kick pass kay Labrado. Labrado, wala! Malas. Lakinlaw against Labrado. Almost had it.
Good defense.
Labrado, good defense. 10 seconds remaining. Abrigana for 3. Nope. And out of bounds. A minute and 30 remaining. If Orange wants to win, they have to do something fast in the fourth quarter action, or else traveling relation, or else for sure sa kanila sa Sky Team na po ang panalong ito.
Approaching 1 minute mark, third quarter.
1 minute remaining, third quarter action. And ending.
Pass to Nico.
Oh, screen. Tumapak sa linya si Iko. Tumapak sa linya si
45
Iko.
seconds.
Labrado.
40. Rebound.
Ending. Labrado interception.
Third spin.
Out of bounds. And blue shirt.
25 seconds.
Bola po ng blue. Bocotano.
10 shot
Labrigana
clock.
for 3. Rebound. Kapag Palpal. Nice one by Masbang. Carriazo.
10 seconds.
I guess Lakinlaw to Labrado 2 points. 39-48. Number Siyam.
Attacking the defense of Masbang.
Iko. And that's it.
And the third period.
Masbang enforcing its way to its dominance on the third quarter action, but still lamang pa rin po na Siyam ang team Sky Team. Fourth quarter coming up. This is not the last game for the week. And babalik muli po tayo sa ating Friday basketball action. Muli po tayo sa ating AFL Aviation Frederick Dabas sa Flying League. Fourth quarter action now starting. Yung last 5 na po, pakino po. Ito solid naman. Black ball. Black ball po tayo. Okay. Sabi ni Albert Dino Marsigan, Siyam lang yan. Kaya pa yan. Sabi niya. Okay, Carriazo inbounding. And to Gakad to Carriazo again, Carriazo. Nice one. Carriazo, nawala ang bola. Offensive foul! Ouch. Oh, bola. Sino inbounding? Diot. Okay, Diot. Number 1, Diot for the inbound to Riol. Number 28. Diot, number 1. Diot. Pops up. 2 points. Trapal, 2 points. Gaka lost the ball. Traveling double dribble on Trapal. Gaka, Trapal, double dribble. Balik muli po sa team ang bola. An 11-point lead advantage again by team Sky Team. Again, blue ball.
11-point lead for Sky Team.
Sky Team looking to take win number 2. Nice Masbang. Kick pass kay Carriazo. Carriazo.
2 against 3.
Carriazo, lost the ball. Lost the ball nga rin. Yambao. Good goal. Good goal, wala. Parang patil. Parang patil. Panganiban. Rebound, Barra Panganiban again. Last touch. Last touch with the blue shirts. Kenneth Yanesa. Boss Jonah Diot lang ang sakalam. Masbang for 3. Nope. Rebound. Panganiban 2 points. Again, balik sa siyam na makalamangang bunipon ng team Blue Shirts or the Sky Team. Iko. Driving show. Wow! Two shots for Iko for sure. Okay, Panganiban. Yambao. Abrigana para kay Trapal. Iko shooting for 2. First shot. Pasok. Second throw Iko. Jumpers ready. Si Mr. Candol also is watching. Maraming salamat po, sir. Iko, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Tapos. Rebound by Masbang. Tugakad. Gakad na to Pilao. Intercepted almost. Pilao. Pilao, running shot. Gakad. Foul.
Number 20. But still, Yambao, game disqualified. 5th personal foul.
Yambao, 5 personal fouls. Graduate. Masbang, power move. Nope. And Abrigana. Balakas. Iko, balakas pa rin. Abrigana, 2 points. Gakad against Riol rather. Gakad, Riol. Gakad, tapos. Diot nakalusot. And Iko again, 2 points Iko. Sila, 14. Masbang, 2 points. 12. 6 minutes 22 remaining.
Back to 12-20.
Lakanilaw.
14 shot up.
Pops up.
Good defense.
Rebound, Masbang. Okay. Panganiban. Kulintahan, 2 points. Christian Macbendosa is watching. Iko na naman. Tagpal. Foul na Masbang.
Follow it. Here's the number 0. Substitution.
Okay, substitution muna po tayo.
Eusebio
para kay Carriazo. Iko, shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second throw, Nico. Jumpers ready.
5 minutes, 41 seconds.
Pops up. Tapos. Rebound. By Eusebio. No, okay, Pulintan. Binababa ang bola. Pulintan against Nico. Binababa ang Masbang bola. Masbang. Ayan na. Eusebio again. Eusebio running shot. Tapos. Kick pass, Iko. 2 points. Malakas ang pasa. 12, laman ng 12 muli po ang Sky Team.
Orange.
Oryx called for the timeout. Christian Torino Mendoza is watching. Mr. Candol is watching also. Okay, back to the ball game. 5 minutes 7 remaining. 5:07 remaining. Okay. John Green, Martin Bisto, shoutout din sa'yo, sir. Shoutout sa'yo, boss. Mega love shoutout. And Mr. Abregana, binababa ang bola.
5 minutes to this up.
Shoutout po kay Angkor Labrado, sabi ni John Reed, Martin Bisto.
Back to Riol. Give it to play.
Riol, 2 points. Labrado, binababa ang bola.
Mariaso.
Mariaso.
Pulling the
For 3.
trigger.
Nope. A 14-point lead advantage again by Sky Team.
Abrigana.
Brigana, nawala ang bola. Maspang. Labrado again on the attack. Labrado. 2 points, Labrado. Labrado, 2 points.
Back to fault. 20. Nakatila.
12-point lead na naman. Lost the ball. Again, on the attack muli po. Labrado, again, the sticky hands. Foul, Abrigana.
That's a good goal.
Nice hustle by Abrigana, pero yung nag-foul po siya.
Ball with jersey number 3.
Fast hands, stick hands by Abrigana.
Second team foul. Sky team. Shot clock 14.
And Labrado, panglibang, pops up, Eusebio, no good. Rebound, Nakinaw.
Abrigana.
Abrigana nakalusot. Abrigana, 2 points.
Back to 14.
Gakad. Sayang, hindi handa.
Turnover. Substitution.
Riol, 20 minutes kay Riol para kay Iko.
Both teams 2 timeout left. 3 minutes 21 seconds.
Abrigana,
Nakatila.
Nakanilaw, number 15.
Abrigana.
Abrigana, number 3.
14
Iko,
shot clock.
Enteng, Loop, rebound, Gakad. Labrado again. Labrado, palpal. Swipe away by Labrigana. Abrigana blocked.
17 seconds.
Palpal kay Labrigana. Si Labrado.
17 seconds to go.
Lost the ball. Again. Wala pa. 2 points na yan. Wala. Foul. Foul.
That's your third personal foul.
Gakad, third personal
Third
foul.
team foul. Third team foul. Orange team. Abrigana.
Abrigana. Abrigana.
14 shot clock.
Abrigana.
Nakanila.
Ayun na, for 3. Ayaw niya.
10 shot clock.
2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes 7 remaining.
5 to shoot.
Laki nilaw. Good ball, good ball.
Game ball. Mariaso. Pasok lang. Back to Mariaso. Left-handed layup.
Mariaso, 2 points.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. A minute and 15 remaining. First to be exact. 49-63. 4. Laki nilaw. Iko. Iko. Nanakaw ng bola. Hindi pa rin.
Double team. 14 shot clock.
Abrigana. Against Cardaso. Abrigana kalusot. Abrigana. Pops up. Nope. Rebound Masbang. Pinatula kagad. Kick pass. Napo ni Abrigana ang bola.
120.
Pero puro silang prigil puro eh. Kakaiba. Eh, laki nila for 3. Pops up. Nope. Pagod na.
Rebound.
Again, Iko. 3 seconds violation.
Timeout. Orange team.
Okay, timeout Oryx team po tayo. 49-63, a minute remaining. Oryx team looking bleak now for them. While the Sky team is going to pick up na win number 2. Kung kinalibutan nila po yung kanilang pagkatalo po noong nakaraan sa against Implights. Nakapambug form na po sila. A minute remaining. Tamang lang yung ball?
Inbound.
Black ball.
Shot clock 14.
14 seconds to shoot.
14 seconds to shoot.
Sabido. Sabido ang suot. Wala. And laki nilaw, nakalusot. Laki nilaw, kapos. Eusebio. So, gakad. Laki niba for 3, no good. Wala na. 40 seconds remaining. That's it will be.
35 seconds.
And Royol, number 28.
14 shot clock.
Okay, that's it. I believe so. They conceded already.
Nothing.
Okay, wala pa rin. Okay. And Pangiliban. Panibang for 3. One more time. Masbang, Pangiliban. Pops up. Okay, 3 points, Pangiliban.
5 seconds.
Okay, that's it. Final score 52-63. And the advantage by Team Sky Team. You've witnessed now Sky Team versus Oryx. Maraming salamat po. And standby po tayo po for the post-game activities. Thank you very much. And sige po, next week po sa Friday and Saturday basketball po ng AFL o Aviation Friendly Doubles sa Flying League.